This is the famous Japanese koi fish. I believe one of the most expensive fish. I believe a prize fish was sold for $1.2 million. This is a wonderful story about Japanese koi. When the Japanese koi is born, it's just close to 1.5 inch long. That's it. And if you keep the Japanese koi fish in a tank of water, it would actually, the tank, the basic aquarium which you have, it will never grow more than 4 or 5 inches max. But if you put this guy in a tank like this, as you can see, they've grown almost a feet. They will grow almost a feet. But if you take the same koi and you put them in a lake, did you know how long it can grow? Yeah, almost 3 or 4 feet long, this large they can grow. Beauty, isn't it? Very strange. Yeah. Depending upon the water body, it grows that much. And that's a wonderful lesson that we can learn from the Japanese koi. Is that your environment makes you or breaks you. Your environment is stronger than will. Depending upon the environment, the Japanese koi grows. And Japanese koi, as you would know, that it only lives for about 20 to 30 years, and the maximum size it grows for almost 1 or 2 years. And after 1 or 2 years, if you take this 1 feet long, which is in this, and if you put it in a large lake, technically it should grow much. That is why scientists found this very strange. Experts found it will actually not grow to limit. In fact, the growing years are so very important. A wonderful lesson that we can learn from the Japanese koi fish is the growing years are very, very important. And your environment actually makes you or breaks you. Environment is stronger than will. Thank you, Japanese koi. A beautiful wonder, isn't it? Wow, I love their colors. They're so amazing. Beautiful. A treat to our eyes.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.